So hi and welcome back to another Divine Days dance class. Today we're going to be doing a dance to Pharrell Williams' Happy. So make sure you're spread out and you've got plenty of space, and make sure you just do the movements within your own capabilities. So just adapt them to suit you and we'll get started. So we're going to start with a flick in front and then 2 steps to the side, step, step. Then you're going to repeat the other way, flick, step, step. So when you do this, you want it to be quite bouncy. So flick, step, step, flick, step, step. And then with your arms, you want them just to be relaxed and just follow with your body so you can do anything you want with them. So flick, step, step, flick, step, step. And then you're going to do 2 arms up. These are going to be nice and sharp, sharp, sharp. And then you're going to do 2 arms down, 1 at a time again. Down, down. So you want to really see the contrast when you're bouncing to when you're nice and sharp. Up, down, down. Very good. So carrying on. We're going to do 3 arm movements, swapping from each side. So you want 1 arm out straight to the side and the other one bent in at the elbow. And when you do this, you want to pull your chest with it. So there's a slight lean, and then you'll swap. And then on the third one, you want to pull your feet in to join together. So it'll go, these are very strong, strong, strong. And this one will drag and be a bit softer. So your body will move with it. So from the beginning, flick, step, step, flick, step, step, up, up, down, down, arm, dragging, very good. And then you're gonna pose, and when you pose, you're gonna bend both legs and put your hand on your knee and look forwards. So pose, and that wants to be very still, like a statue. And then you're gonna swap to face the other diagonal and hands on your hips. And that's going to be very still like a statue too. So it's going to go arm, arm, drag, down, and up. So we'll try that from the beginning. Flick, step, step, flick, step, step, up, up, down, down, arm, drag, down, up. Very good, so we'll give that bit a little go with some music. It starts about 1 minute 10 into the song. Flick, step, step, flick, step, step, up, up, down, down, arm, drag, pose, pose. Very good, so you've ended here. Nice and strong, up tall. Now you're going to do 2 hops and a step. So it's going to go, bring your leg up to your knee, hop, hop, step in front, and then it's going to go to the other diagonal. Up to your knee, hop, hop, step in front again. So you want to use them to change it from diagonal to diagonal. So we'll try again. Hop, hop, step, hop, hop, step. Excellent. And if we've got that, we can add some arms. So the arms will go down on the step and then up on the next step. So all together it'll go hop, hop, step, hop, hop, step. Very good. So we'll just go from arm, drag, down, up, hop, hop, step, hop, hop, step. Excellent. So carrying on, we're going to do 4 claps, stepping back. So if we just do the steps first, you're just going to move to the back. 2, 3, 4, and then adding the arms in. You want to start high with your claps, but end low. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, just bringing them down with your body. So from, you've just ended here, You'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want to have a nice little bounce with them and they'll be just relaxed and fun. So we'll add them on. So we've gone down, up, hop, hop, step, hop, hop, up. Stepping back, 2, 3, 4. And then you want to put your hands on your hips, jump your feet in, then jump your feet apart. And when you jump your feet apart, you want to end with bent knees and your hands on your knees and your body will be over. So nice and low, so it'll go in, out, and now you want to bring your knees in one at a time, so you'll invert it, so it'll go 1, back down, 2, back down. And for this you can either keep your hands on your knees and do it that way, or you can take your shoulder with it. It's completely up to you, whatever feels best. So we've just gone jump in, jump out, knee, knee, and now we want to take our body all the way around in a nice big circle. So get as low as you can, then end nice and tall. So we'll just try this bit. We'll try it with some music, adding it all on from the beginning. Flick, step, step, flick, step, step, up, up, down, down, arm, drag, down, up, hop, hop, step, step, 2, 3, 4, in, out, leg, round. Very good, so that is it all, almost. Just got a couple more moves to add on. So we've gone all the way round. Then you want to take your arms in and cross them, so that's nice and slow and relaxed. Cross them in front. And then we're going to go down on one knee, nice and slow. Very good. Carrying on, we're going to go standing back up. And we're just going to walk back 4 times, like we did with the claps, but this time we're going to do some clicks instead. So you just want your arms, your wrists to rotate, while she's stepping back, going lower. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is our ending position. We're trying to step our feet apart and end with our hands on our hips. So we'll go from jump in, jump out, knee, knee, all the way round, crossing in front, down, step, 2, 3, 4, and then hands on your hips to finish. Very good, so that is all the routine. So I'll walk through it one more time with no music, and then we'll try it with some music, because it is quite fast. So from the beginning, we're going to go flick, step, step, flick, step, step, up, up, down, down, arm, drag, down, so nice and still like a statue, up like a statue, hop, hop, step, hop, hop, up, clap, 2, 3, 4, in, out, knee, knee, all the way round, crossing in front, down on one knee, click, 2, 3, 4, ends on your hips, nice and strong, stood up as tall as we can. Excellent. So that is it all, so I'll try it with some music. And I'll still shout the moves over. So I want us to really think about when we want to be bouncing, when we're clapping and when we want our moves to be nice and strong and nice and sharp. So really think about seeing the contrasts in your movements and make sure you have fun. Flip, step, step, flip, step, step, up, down, down, arm, drag, down, up, hop, hop, step, clap, 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 in, out, knee, round, arms, knee, flip, 2, 3, 4, finish. Very good. So that is it all, so we'll just try it one more time. With the music, I won't shout over it this time, and I just want us to really think about making it as big as we can and just try and have as much fun as we can with it, because it's a nice and fun one. Very good, so I hope you've enjoyed that today, and make sure you practice it and then make sure you send me your videos and let me know how you got on. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next week.